Today is an incredibly important day for people with cancer in Victoria and across Australia, but also people with cancer globally.
Let me just start out by saying this is a big deal. This is a really big deal.
But we are, as we were talking, Ricky, as we were wandering through the labs, this is about being at the forefront of what is next, 5 years, 10 years, 20 years, so that people can have the best care close to home, but of course that we can export our extraordinary capability here in Victoria to people in need right around the world.
So this is one BioNTainer. So it consists of like 6 ISO shipping containers. So you see on the top there's like air purification, HVAC systems, IT infrastructure, and then here the clean room actually on the bottom floor with airlocks for material and persons. So and then on site here in Melbourne, we'll unload it, we'll put it together. We will have one of these BioNTainers for drug substance and drug product, so formulated drug substance, and then also for fill and finish. So what we have is really like an end-to-end production that we will bring to Australia, to Melbourne. And eventually we want to turn science into survival with this new partnership.